I just want the best for you, girl, but I don't think I really know what that means. I know you bring the best out of me, and I know you're sick of abstract things.
But time's been
kinda
you little Jade, what are you doing?
'cause I've been waiting for this feeling to
Hi,
leave.
Zoe, you're muddy too. Get down.
If I can hold on to this feeling this long, maybe I can get you to hold me. Don't you believe, girl, you changed the world. At least you changed the world for me. Don't you believe, girl, you changed the world. At least you changed the world for me. I won't be sorry if you leave me, girl, 'cause I'm the world's biggest fan of cliches. I'll set you free, then I love like I'm not hurting in the world's worst ways. But I don't know I can make it alone, and I don't have much more left to lose. I can't say for sure just where I'll end up. I just wanna end up there with you. Don't you believe, girl, you changed the world. At least you changed the world for me. Don't you believe, girl, you changed the world. At least you changed the world for me. When the darkness never ends and my world's crashing in, and it starts to turn again, will you believe? When I won't get over you and my world splits in two, when I just can't make it through, will you believe? Don't you believe, girl, you changed the world. At least you changed the world for me.